Welcome back, viewers. As you know, Debian comes with default Synaptic Package Manager in the GNOME desktop. So whenever you install the Debian GNOME desktop, Synaptic Package Manager will be there. So it is a graphical uh, application to install different packages on your system in Debian. So if you want to have this Synaptic Package Manager on your Ubuntu or Debian based Linux distribution, you can do that using the method I am showing you in this video. So the fans will like to install the Synaptic Package Manager on their Ubuntu or Ubuntu based Linux distribution, as well as some Debian based Linux distributions where Synaptic Package Manager is not the default application package. So if I do the command sudo apt install Synaptic Package Manager, it will not be recognized by the apt package manager. For that, you have to use the command sudo apt install Synaptic. Two additional packages will be installed due to the dependencies, and following are the suggested packages for installation. So what we will do is we will do the default installation, but I am aborting this because I just want to show you the repositories which are there. So sudo apt search Synaptic, you can see here it is searching through all the different repositories that are configured on my Debian system. You can see it here. So it is showing us the different packages and the repositories. For example, Synaptic's touchpad driver is also there with the same name. So system will search and it will understand that this is not the application package you want to install, but it will show because the Synaptic's name is there. It is same name. You can see it here, but it will not install Synaptic's because you can see Synaptic and Synaptics, there is a difference. So if you do auto apt install Synaptics, then it might install the Synaptics touchpad driver, but you have to only use the command sudo apt install Synaptic. You can see here what I am trying to show you. The differences, how even small changes in the spelling can do a drastic difference in the application package search by the package manager. So here you can see. So I am again doing sudo apt install Synaptic, and once that is done, you have to say yes for the installation to continue. It will do the installation. It will install all the additional packages. Suggested packages won't be installed in a default installation mode. That's it. Once this is done, you have to reboot your system. Always remember, any change in the package manager, it is a major change because the system links change. So once you do the installation of Synaptic Package Manager, then you have to reboot your system, and once you reboot, you can start the Synaptic Package Manager and install your application packages graphically instead of doing it from the terminal. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.